Replacing the battery in your intelligent key can be simple if you follow this procedure. First, see the owner's manual for the recommended battery before replacing. Next, release the lock knob and remove the mechanical key from the intelligent key. Place a cloth over a small flathead screwdriver and insert the tip into this slit. Now, twist the screwdriver to separate the intelligent key into two pieces. Look at the battery to observe which side is up so you can put the replacement battery in the same way. Ensure your hands are clean and free from oil and grease before touching anything inside the key fob. Carefully hold the new battery by the edges every time you pick it up. Remove the discharged battery while being careful not to touch the internal circuits or electrical terminals. Gently place the new battery into the intelligent key with the negative side oriented in the same direction you noted during removal. Align the tips of the two halves and then close the key fob by pushing along the edges. Lastly, operate the intelligent key to ensure it works properly. If you need assistance with replacement, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.